Welcome to our channel. Today we how to increase data security with McAfee step by step clearly. To enhance your data security with McAfee, start by installing the McAfee software on your device. Visit the official McAfee website and download the latest version suited for your operating system. Locate the downloaded file in your Downloads folder and double-click to begin the installation process. Follow the on-screen prompts to accept the terms and conditions. Choose a custom installation if you prefer to select specific features or proceed with the default settings. Once installed, open the McAfee application. Create or log into your McAfee account to activate your subscription. After logging in, navigate to the dashboard where you can view security status and options. Ensure that your antivirus features are activated by checking the protection settings. Enable real-time scanning to monitor your system continuously for potential threats. Next, set up a scheduled scan to routinely check for viruses and malware. Go to the firewall section and make sure it is enabled to control incoming and outgoing traffic. Configure your firewall settings to block unauthorized access while allowing needed connections. Explore the web protection features and enable them to safeguard against risky websites. Consider using the VPN feature for added privacy when browsing online. Ensure that your software is set to update automatically for ongoing threat protection. Review the identity theft protection features and activate them to secure your personal information. Check the security history periodically to monitor any detected threats or actions taken. Adjust notification settings based on your preferences to stay informed about security alerts. Finally, regularly back up your important data to prevent loss due to potential cyber threats. By following these steps, you will significantly enhance your data security using McAfee. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.